I have another one that I recommend that y'all go check out from the house of Argos. This is Adonis Awakens. This is a beautiful, beautiful raspberry, grapefruit, rose fragrance right here. Cashmere wood and vanilla, slightly woody, chestnut, jasmine, pink pepper. This fragrance is, oh, don't spray this on your clothes. You're going to stain it. Adonis Awakens. I got about 8 hours out of this fragrance with a pretty decent projection. Nothing to complain about on a projection on this one. You can get this for a good price. If you do your research on it, it's well worth checking out. Get your discovery set. If you know, you know. A lot of people know, everybody in the fragrance community know about Argos. They make some damn good fragrances. So Adonis Awakens is one that I definitely recommend for this weather right here. It's cold. You know what I'm saying? Everything on this list I'm recommending y'all is definitely for that cold weather. Some of them you might could get away with in the summertime if you're in the right climate. But, oh man, this right here. Winter, fall, a little bit of spring. Pull this out when you got on your bling bling. You heard me? Pull this out like this right here. Slightly sweet, rose, grapefruit, raspberry, cashmere wood. Man, this fragrance here is sexy. This is sexy right here. Adonis Awakens. Go and check that out.